I just want to let y'all know that I started this video looking rough. Like, this is a chit-chat, get ready with me. I start off looking rough. I'm the worst catfish, literally from worst to worser. What else? I don't look that good in the end, but like now I look good. Like a couple hours later I look great because like my natural oils are peeking through. But yeah, didn't come out too hot. My eyebrows look completely different too. Like, do you see those are snatched, but my actual eyebrows in the video, ugly. Don't I cut them up at the end, don't worry. By cut them up I mean roast them. I roast myself at the end. But yeah, low-key a flop, but like I tried my best. Thank you for watching. I'll probably try again filming tomorrow, like another get ready with me, or like just an everyday makeup tutorial while I listen to music, or like a playlist get ready with me. I don't know. Comment down below what you think. Maybe I'll leave a little poll. But yeah, sorry I don't look too cute throughout the video, but I don't worry, in real life I'm like a solid 7 or 8, an 8. We're a self-confident queen. Anyway, bye. Hey, what's up you guys? I'm finally filming you get ready with me. I did my eyebrows off camera and my lashes because those are the two most consuming parts of makeup. And I messed up my eyebrows, so I literally had to wipe them off and I redid them, but these are like decent. But yeah, I'm filming a chit-chat get ready with me today because that's what y'all voted for on Twitter. I'm gonna prime for real. I just, oh my god, I just powder my face before foundation because I get really oily. But yeah, I just powder my face before foundation because it like prevents the oils from escaping. I saw Jackie Hanna did it, so I did it. It looks really weird for a second, but once you put on foundation, it looks really good. Plus it makes your foundation look really smooth. I'm not sure what the science behind that is, but it's like baking before actual foundation. That's the best way I can explain it. I don't wipe this off though. I just let it sit here. And it doesn't disrupt the color of your foundation, if you're curious. I'm using the Maybelline Superstay and the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter in the shade 430 in, I think this is 12. No, this is 360 Mocha, but like I'm pretty sure this is like the 12th or 13th shade in the line. I'm just going to take my beauty blender in. I shouldn't have done that, like done it like that, but it's okay. Ooh. Look how nice that looks. So skin like. I try to focus my foundation on the outer parts of my face, so my under eyes don't get cakey. Sorry for the weird lighting. It's like 10 or 11 a.m. and the sun's coming out, and this is like the best lighting I could do. But yeah, I can see this all blended out. I think I'm gonna be setting my face with like I don't know. Let's set my face with this. This is the Fit Me Loose finishing powder in medium deep. It's super good, but also super pigmented.
Like, don't get too light of a color. Like if you're brown, this is like as light as you can go. Or if you're like as dark as me or darker, this is like as light as you can go. But like if you're super dark, like deep, this is a little light. But luckily they have more shades after medium deep. But if you're my shade, this is as light as you can go. But it's just so good for setting your under eyes. Like it's so perfect. It makes you look super like highlighted and like beautiful.
set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using my black radiance soft focus finishing powder in the shade milk chocolate finish. Bronze, and I don't actually have a bronzer like I don't have a like there aren't just a lot of bronzers that are drugstore or like affordable that really fit my skin tone really well, so I just go in with the Morphe 3502 and like I just take a random brown shade with this shade right here. It has like a it's just like a brown, like brown.
I know, Max, I know. I'm gonna let my dog try to.
Easier. My dog. No, don't lick that. He's licking the makeup off the back of my hand. He does not care about his life.
Oh, let's get into my bed. You see him? No, you can't. You're not talking about. Boy.
That's my dog. His name's Max. He's a no. He's a Schnauzer Chihuahua mix, and he just bit one of my beauty sponges. He already ate one before. That fell into the ground. It was a real technique sponge. He tore into that. My dog loves eating things he's not supposed to. Oh, wow, this is coming to an end. So all I had to do is really blush and then add a highlight. This is like a $1 blush I got from the dollar store. These are super pigmented, just saying that. Go to your local Dollar Tree. Is that what I have, a Dollar Tree? I think so. And find the Beauty Benefits blushes.
And I don't add a lot because they're also super pigmented. Huh. I didn't really set my nose well.
Like, it's not around my mouth well. I'm just gonna let that sit there. What's next? I'm gonna spray my face with one of these from e.l.f. I'm gonna be using the matte one because I don't like looking dewy.
Ooh.
I'm gonna highlight now with, I don't know.
I think I'm going with the It's My Murder palette. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm lying. I'm literally putting so much. I'm gonna be using my fenty beauty.
I'm gonna be using this brush to highlight and the illuminating mist and set from e.l.f. I like my highlight to really, I can't explain it.
Way too much highlight on because I didn't know about it. No one told me. Like in middle school, everyone's like, oh my gosh, your highlight's so pretty. And I was like I was really gassed. Like, people really gassed me. But in reality, my highlight was atrocious because way too much. And no one told me. And I wore the e.l.f. Blushing Gems hat, I think. That joint was like really light for me. I still wore it. And I put way too much on, so it looked like I was like a giant strip of highlight on. It's still pretty highlight though. I just have to put a little light on it.
Max, what are you eating? Oh, you're just showing me. This is a good chit-chat kit, right? I forgot I'm doing it. Ooh, watch it be god-awful. Still some time. What should I talk about? School's starting in exactly a month. Sorry for anyone who just missed school. But yeah, school's starting for exactly 1 month. I haven't done any of my summer reading. Because I just don't like school. School literally makes me upset. Whenever school starts to is like about to get in, or whenever school's in, like I just get angry. I'm tired all the time when school's in. Like I literally would take naps right after school. Like 30 minutes after I got home, I'd like eat ramen, watch YouTube videos, but during the YouTube videos, I'd fall asleep like clockwork. Time for lips. I'm just gonna be wiping my lips off with a Q-tip. Get all the nasty foundation, powder, stuff off. I'm gonna be lining them with this NYX brown lip liner.
No shade, but like, lots of people in school like the whole, I don't know, no makeup look, which is fine. But like when they try to wear makeup, it's, when homecoming was like in last year, bro, the amount of unmatched foundations I saw on Instagram made me want to freaking choke. I was like, sis, your friends are fake if they didn't tell you that you look pale as a ghost. Like, you're so tan. Why are you wearing freaking porcelain foundation when you should be medium tan? Like, what? I don't understand. Like, make it make sense for me. Literally. And it's so crazy. Like, literally so crazy. Because no one's telling them anything. And, like, you can clearly see. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm better. Maybe I'm just mean.
You are.
I don't know. Or wear foundation or, like, wear makeup when they don't need to. And sometimes it looks cakey. And sometimes... like, you're... I'm not gonna say you're pretty. You don't need makeup. But, like, you're pretty. You don't know how to do makeup. So just don't do it. You look fine without it. And you don't know how to do it. So just save your breath. I sound so mean. Let me stop. I'm not.
This sounded so mean. Like, playing this back, it sounded so mean. So just disregard everything I'm saying. Oh, I hate myself. Look. Nope, I'm playing this gloss from LA Colors Glossy Lips in the shade Watermelon Splash. Does it look okay? Does it look okay? Y'all tell me. I'm gonna be with you, Chief. You look dusty. Not cute. I think that's it. If you like the video, this part was unnecessarily long, so all my social medias will be on the end card and they'll be down below. Follow them if you want to. If you don't want to, that's fine. I'm not pressed about it. So yeah.
My eyebrows look atrocious now that I'm looking at them in the mirror. I'm so sorry if you guys were cutting me up about them in the comments or like throughout the video. I'm so sorry. These look awful. Oh my freaking god.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you love me. Don't subscribe if you don't want to. I'm not your mom. I don't tell you what to do. Live your best life. Bye.